Lights blinking. Oh, no. I can't see. Hey YouTube, I'm Lance and this is my 2004 Lincoln Town Car. I replaced the intake manifold and ended up breaking the EGR tube. These are real brittle on these high mileage 4.6 liters. And I snapped off down by the EGR. So basically trying to figure out how to fix that. Then what happened is the bolt going into the exhaust manifold broke off, and let me show you that. Okay, the plan was to tap this out here, but I think this tap is too big, 3/8. Here's the pipe I bought, threaded pipe to put down in here, 3/8 size. And here's the EGR adapter that broke off. Well, this is the new one. Here's the adapter, EGR adapter that broke off. Snap that right off. So now I got to come up with a solution. And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. Okay, I've got the tap here. Let's see if we can get this in here. Okay, let's see if I can get a wrench on this tap. Okay, well, yep, it looks like the tap is going in. Get you a different angle here. Let's try a socket this time. Nope. Extension. Okay. Let's try this with an extension. Ooh, maybe that's too long. Too long an extension. Let's try a deep. Nope. Back to the wrench. Back to the wrench. That is tough. Oh, tough, tough, tough. I think it's going in sideways now. Let's back it out. Arg. Well, it didn't go very far in there. If this was easy, everybody would be doing it. Okay, I got an 8mm wrench on this. Turning it 2 millimeters at a time. Yep. Yep. Looks, yep. 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 It's going great. Oh yeah. Not good. Ah, not good. Not good. Okay. Not good. Not great. Yeah, when someone says to me, "Oh, why does it take you 3 weeks to fix your car?" 3 weeks? I don't know. Well, because the steering shaft is in the way, I have to use this wrench. It's not easy. It's turning. And it's not easy to turn. Does that look straight? I have no idea. Oh, man. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Until it stops. Oh, it's about stopped there. We're going to try some oil. A little bit of oil on this. See what that does. Oh, that light's not good. Oh, that's about it. Arg. Lights blinking. Oh, no. I can't see. Okay. Oh boy. Let's try this light. Okay. That'll last for a minute. Lance, why does it take you so long? To do anything? Oh, I don't know. I probably don't have enough light. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Back her out. Back it out. Let's see what happens. Back it out. Back it out. Well, it goes that way easy. Yeah, goes that way. But it doesn't go this way. Oh, that's it. That's all she wants. Okay, comments below. Am I doing this right? Because I have no idea. Just putting this tap in. Or I mean, I'm taking this tap out with a wrench. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's kind of sharp. Okay. Wrench. Hand. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Stuck. Why is it stuck? Don't know. Rich. There, turn it. Ooh, come on. You can do it. Okay, now. Okay, here we go. It's actually going in. Oh, not very far. Why? Why? Oh, there we go. A little more. So as you can see, this is a tight spot. Can't quite get the ratchet on there. And it goes that far and stops. Okay, ratchet. Ratchet. Here's my ratchet. 8mm. Oh, I got it on there. But it doesn't go any further. Well, it does, but it's very difficult. But I'm doing it. Wow. Wow, that's really... Maybe you'd rather someone didn't talk while they were doing this. Silence. Maybe, dang, you prefer silence. Well, it comes out easy, it just doesn't go in easy. Oh, then it stops. Oh yeah, that stopped. Really. I hit the bottom. Bottom of what? Oh yeah, the bottom. Okay. Alrighty. I've hit bottom. And blue towel. Okay, now here's the adapter I made. I'm gonna see how far this will thread in here. Okay. All right. Now, more tools. Okay, I'm back. I have a 27. Don't think I can. Oh. What the heck? Huh. I don't know. can't see. Okay, it's turning. It's turning. And it's not turning. There, that's tight. And, okay. And there's the new EGR tube. Huh. It's not. That's not quite lined up. It's not quite lined up. Okay, I guess you guys just gotta try harder. Okay. Okay. Now, I just have to tighten this up. Without breaking it. Okay, that's tight. Okay, I got the Lincoln all put back together and EGR fixed. We're going to try to start it now. Why is it smoking? I have no idea. I think that's good. Good smoke. Whoa. Smoky, eh? Yeah. Oh. Well, it started. It's half the battle. Thanks for watching. Comments below. Good or bad. Thanks.